Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI. I don't know if you're like me, but I love a beautiful dining room table setup. And for me, getting this Chassic table runner has completely been a game changer. This table runner, even though it's a simple addition, completely changes the way my table looks. I love it. It makes it finished. It's a beautiful addition. I love the ivory color and the embroidering is top notch. I really love the quality of it. The fabric is beautiful. The color is amazing. And depending on what style or color theme you have in your dining room, it has so many options to choose from. So really you can find something to match your style and your dining room. So whether you're looking for something to glam up your dining room table while you're having a dinner party, or if you want just something beautiful for everyday life in your dining room, I highly recommend these Chassic table runners, but that's just my point of view.